if you want to get the next giveaway, I'm going to give 3 times $20 for the best question asked during the AMA live on Wednesday 31st of January 5:30 p.m. UTC time. So make sure you join so you can ask the correct question so you can win $20, you know, if you just ask a question. Now, okay, so just to let you know, I did arrange AMA with the best private paid group. I am involved, okay, with Crypto Lab Research with Lucas. And we're going to have AMA on Wednesday, the 31st of January, 5:30 p.m. UTC time or UK time. It depends when you watch this video. Maybe the AMA will be out or not. So the best way to get into the AMA is follow me in my Telegram group, because I'm going to post all the announcements and all the updates where going to be the AMA. Will be in my Telegram group or in this crypto YouTube channel. Now, I never did live YouTube video here, so maybe will be the first one. So couple of days ago I did this video. It's called I joined 13 paid crypto groups and is it worth it or not. And to be honest, most of them are amazing group. You can find so many open-minded people and you will be surprised how many good people with so much knowledge they are. But the one who gave me the most impression is called the UIG group, Underdog Investment Group. Okay, now it's coming from this guy right here, Crypto Lab Passive Income. Okay, so this guy Lucas is not just by himself. This group is huge, and I want to give you a little bit more information today because I'm allowed to give a little bit sneak peek from what's happening inside. So by the way, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. You know the rules, okay? This is not for this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now, why I'm telling you this, because I went heavy into farming. And you can see here, I'm going to start a lot of videos to do this one. You can see here how much I'm earning. Look at that. So I already made $15 and I have invested 777.77. This is an amazing number, by the way. It's just fluctuate. So when and Sol, I'm making what, 1.8% a day. Neo Sol 0.4% a day. With Sol 0.63% a day. Pit with Sol 0.35%. Neo Sol 0.4. Win 4% per day, and I'm in range heavy. Okay, that's crazy, guys. We saw here 0.5% a day, and this is all thanks to this amazing group. Okay, so this is what is my opinion. If you're interested to get in, okay, if you want to learn about crypto, if you're new, or if you're not new, if you think you've been in crypto for the last couple of years and you've been burned so many times from crazy ROI platform. By the way, I love ROI platforms, but too many rags out there, because here they teach us to go. Of course, they give us their opinion, but they show us the way what is the safest way to invest, and especially for the so they teach you to build up your bull run portfolio, and also they teach you to build up your portfolio from making income, your DeFi portfolio. So that's what I'm doing. You have your bull run portfolio, you have your DeFi portfolio, and from here you have a lot of small businesses, what they call them, and you have income. Okay, you have yesterday I just went in osmosis. Okay, because of them I went into osmosis ecosystem. Okay, and I start farming Tia, Celestia, and osmosis. That's crazy. How crazy is this? You know, what's the APR? 180% a year. Okay, that's crazy. 0.6% a day. That's amazing. Okay, so of course you need to know the risk, the permanent loss, and all the stuff. But to be like a rug pull here, it's very hard to happen, because most of the platforms where we're going is like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap, like SushiSwap, and so on, and like Orca, Radium, and so on and so on. Okay, so if you want to join, by the way, the link will be in the description. When you join, make sure you mention CryptoPhil send you, okay? Because this is not for free. It's cost. It's $100 a month. Now, what's happened here is they teach you step by step right here, you know, like say, so you can see I complete every project. Then you go here to the community, then 6 figures DeFi, you will see, and you have mission 1, mission 2, mission 3, mission 4, mission 5, mission 6, 12, you know, mission 7, and so on and so on, you know. So they teach you to start to earn from $3 per day, just to get your feet wet. Then you go to $10 per day, 25 per day, 50, and so on and so on and so on. You can build up. The whole point here is not here you are going aping all in, you know, and then get burned. But the whole point here is slowly build up your portfolio. Here you will see 3 per day, 10 per day. I'm right here now around 10 per day, and I think I achieved today. Okay, so I'm going to claim my NFT, but I need to listen all of this again. Okay, you can see some of them I missed, but here you can see I listen, and to be honest, my head blow up. There is so much information here, so much education. It doesn't matter if you're new or not, especially if you're new. Spend a couple of weeks, not days, weeks here to learn, and then go with just 10 bucks, 15 bucks, 20 bucks and start earning. The testimonials we'll be seeing from these members, I am so happy I find this group. I know this group, but I'm so happy I finally joined and I start using whatever they preaching. The team members, they have 5 times a week calls. They have like TA specialists, you know, for technical analysis. TA, sorry. They have for like here you can see the true DeFi, bull run, mindset, even, you know, how to think, what to do, what is your plan, you know, when you start, like it's not like, okay, go here and no, they teach you step by step. I highly suggest go and check them up. Again, nothing here is financial advice. If you tell them CryptoPhil send you, they're going to give us 50 bucks for you and 50 bucks for me the second month you pay. Okay, so go and check them up. A lot of people go there and say, oh, maybe this is not for me, but most of the people, they staying here for months and months and months. To be honest, I think I paid for 6 months up front. Why? Because I know when the 6 months go out, I will probably pay for a year, because I definitely want to stay with these guys. They're open-minded people. They're always doing some great people. There's always some good information there, you know. I'm in here from what? From end of November, but I start using from January 1st at 3:30 p.m. a.m. Okay, just after New Year. And to be honest, my head is blowing up every single time I am here. And I cannot catch the live calls, but I'm always there listening next day in the morning because they record everything. Okay, so look, they have like DeFi education. Okay, they have chat here. You can chat with people, crypto calls, newbies, what to learn, technical, the 6 views, bull run, true DeFi, and so on and so on. They teach you how to stay safe, how to use this, how to use that. Any questions you have, there are always people there to help you. Okay, so join for the AMA on Wednesday, 31st of January, 5:30 p.m. Okay, UTC time or UK time. Make sure you join my Telegram so you can find out what is this about, and we're going to speak with Lucas, and I'm so honored to have him on my channel. All right, thank you so much. God bless all of you. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.